All right, let's take a look at activity 7, but this time we're looking at missing shapes. So this one's a little bit more complicated than the other activity. So it says, when the code is run, nothing shows up. Try to debug the code so the image on the right appears. Well, if we look at the code, and it says you don't need to add any new blocks here for your code, so that's something to consider too. But we do need to fix the parameters. So if we look, here's this, but when we run it right now, nothing shows up here. Well, if we look here, we notice that this is 500. This is actually, if we show the grid, this only goes to 400, 400. So this is off the screen. 500 means it's not on the screen anywhere, so it's not going to be visible. So we do need to change these for sure, but we're also going to need to change these. If I just change this, and notice if we look at these, it looks like you're going to have one, and then you're going to kind of slide over a little bit, and then slide over a little bit, and so on. So if we did change these, and we changed them just like this, let's just see what that does for a second. I think there's one more here. Yeah, let's get rid of that. If I run this, okay, so we're close, but see how they're all set to 50, and so they're all going here. So let's affect this a little bit. And just how we did this, we added 10 to each of these because we figure that we're going to kind of move to the right a little bit and then down also. So we moved to the right, and that's kind of what's happened here is they're all been drawn out. But now we need to kind of change these. So the first one I think is correct. Let's kind of do the second one and do 60. And we're just going to kind of move these down a little bit so that they'll kind of be in a stacked way. So let's do 100. And if we run that, that's what we're looking for. So we kind of are starting here, and then the next one's right here, and then the next one's here, and here, and here, and so on. So that's kind of how you set these up. This can be a little confusing, but I hope that helps you with this. This one can be a little difficult because you're affecting both parameters, and you just kind of have to figure out the pattern that's going on there. Hopefully that helps you with your code. Good luck.